Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to upload the music to this watch. So, before we start, if you want to upload the music to your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices. And here you should see your Watch Ultimate 2 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down through this page and find the music option and tap on it. And then tap on Manage Music. Okay, and here you should see the list of songs that are transferred to your watch. We don't have any at the moment, so we can tap on Add, tap on Settings, allow the required permission, then go back, tap on Add again, and now we can add and remove the songs. So let's say I want to add 3 songs. You can select one or multiple, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the songs will be transferred. Let's wait until it's done. I'm gonna come back to you once it's done uploading because it might take a while. Okay, so the transferring is done and now I have 3 songs on my watch. So if you go to your watch, open the menu, go to the music app, so find the music icon and tap on it. You should be able to play those songs. So if you open the local folder, import it, you should see the songs on the list and you can tap on them to start playing them. You can also create playlists and stuff like that. You can go back right here, and manage music. You can also tap on the dots next to the song and you can delete the song if you want to, like this. And I believe that's about all. That's how you upload the music from your phone to your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.